Okay, listen, here's Cox Enterprises. That's pretty funny right there. You know, our governor's last name is Cox, and he lives up to his name here.
I did have a car.
What is that?
Dropped it off.
I have a bad feeling it's probably Richard Simmons' twin brother.
Refrigerator
man.
on arrival.
What the crap?
What is that?
It's Catwoman.
What
No.
the hell?
It's Monica
I
Geller.
just got rid of.
Who's Monica Geller?
She's
no
the-
idea, it's just
from
a-
Friends. You got rid of Jennifer Aniston.
Oh, I ran over her. So-
Yeah, that's the other part.
Who's Monica?
Yeah, she was on Friends.
She's a dark character.
It's the character on Friends.
Oh,
So Courtney Cox's.
oh, Cox Enterprises. Oh, they're very clever. This makes no sense.